Growing up, this was my favorite street food. Crispy roasted plantain boli with palm oil. But here is the secret. You don't need an air fryer or even go outside to make it. Watch what I do with my grilling pot. And I tell you, you can just use a regular pot from your kitchen for this recipe. So let's dive right in and see how to make boli at home with ease. Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Here I have 4 fairly ripe plantain. The secret to perfect boli is fairly ripe plantains, as you can see. See how mine still have some green. So let's go wash behind camera. Overripe plantains get mushy and burnt. For my diabetic viewers, you can use completely unripe ones, but they won't be as sweet as these beauties. So let's peel now. And look at this, my grilling pot from my new non-stick set. This is a game changer. I'm arranging all 4 plantains inside. Closing the lid and straight onto my gas burner on the lowest heat. Take note, this is crucial. Just like the roadside sellers do it slowly over charcoal, make sure your gas is on very low. After 7 minutes, let's check. Beautiful. See that golden color starting already. So I'm flipping each one gently. This is flip number 1 and we are going to number 4. So behind camera, I've flipped 2 other times and this is the 4th one and the final flip. Oh my goodness, look at that, perfectly golden, not burnt at all. The aroma is taking me straight back to my childhood. This low and slow method works every single time. Now for the authentic pairing, pure palm oil with just a pinch of salt. This is how we ate it when I was young. Though today some people pair it with groundnut, fish stew, vegetable stew, and what do you pair it with in your locality? Please go right to the comment and share with the community. Let me prove this is perfectly cooked. Oh wow, look at that. No raw spots inside, just soft, sweet perfection. And that's how you make authentic Nigerian boli at home with just a pot. Now, if this helped you, hit that like button. It pushes this video to more people craving boli just like you. Not subscribe? Click subscribe and the bell because I'm dropping easy Nigerian recipes every week. Your subscription helps this small channel grow, and share this with anyone who needs to know they can make street food at home without fancy equipment. Quick question. What do you pair with your boli? Palm oil, groundnut or fish stew? Drop it in the comments. See you next time. Bye.